Hey cousins. Say hey cousins.
Hi, cousins.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm the real Stephanie Renee, and today, where are we going?
In Texas.
Yeah, we're going to Texas. And what is today?
My birthday.
Okay, this is Callie. This is my little cousin Callie, and she says that I'm the best cousin in the world, and I'm her best cousin. Ain't that right?
Yep.
Okay, so we just made it through TSA and we're at our gate. So we're just waiting to board our flight to go to Houston because we're going to visit family. Our cousin Tate is graduating. He graduated yesterday, but tomorrow is his graduation party. So we're just going to meet up with the family today. And yeah, so I'm going to take you all with me. I think y'all only met my cousin Kendra, so y'all will meet all the cousins. So I'm excited for that. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay.
All exits are clearly marked exits, and remember, they might be behind you.
So we're gonna go to Whataburger. I never had it. They like coney dogs, huh, with a whole bunch of onions. It's nasty. I told them no onions. Like one, y'all. This is my first time having Whataburger. They put onions on my burger. I like pico and stuff like that, but just like a raw. They put pickles on yours.
They definitely say no pickle. Oh, that might be jalapeno.
That's what
I didn't order no jalapeno.
Yeah, it's the jalapeno on your thing.
Yeah, right through y'all.
It's an okay burger. Let's try these fries.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hey, cousin.
Oh. Hey, auntie.
All right.
Hey. Welcome to Houston.
You doing good?
The kitchen, hard at work. I am supervising. I'm gonna do the salad. She don't know nothing about me. You said you was happy I was here because of what? Another auntie?
Graduation cake. I love you, Tay. And Tay, we going to water park. Yeah, we going to water park.
Hard worker. The girls are hard at work.
I need a splash in mine.
Amazing. Amazing. We put up a
Cousins, it's the next day, Saturday. I don't know the date, I don't know, but anyways, y'all, last night I had a fucking ball. Like, today is the open house, and so it start like at 5, maybe 4 or 5, but right now it's like 9. I slept in a little bit, so I'm about to just get myself together right quick because everybody else is up. I didn't vlog much because I was just, just spending time with my family and just living in the moment. It's kind of hard picking up your phone or your camera. Well, my camera because, that mug always dying. So it's dead right now. That's why I'm using my Okay, cousins. So, I'm dressed and... Well, I just got my robe on because I didn't want to get dirty because I got on a white shirt because we've been in the kitchen cooking. I'm going to check back in when we get to the place, probably, but, yeah, like, cousins don't be like when I call y'all cousins.
That's why they call it.
Hey, he tipped over early. This how I slow myself down. Cousins in the building. We took over the camera for her.
All the fine girls tap in.
Tap in, tap in, tap in, tap in, tap in.
Aye. What? Look. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. Huh? They ain't talking about nothing. Aye. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. Huh? They ain't talking about nothing. Pickable, I just put them bookers in my chain. Pickable, 80 pointers like a Kobe game. Pickable, 7.62s, I make them plain. Pickable, popping out, you better smell my name. Pickable, put 2 foreigns on the 405. Pickable, catchy pepper if I'm doing pasta. Pickable, why you acting tough on IG Live? Pickable, you know my little niggas off they rocker. Pickable, surprise, bitch, it's that nigga chicken cheese. Pickable, let me FaceTime my op, bitch, I'm up the street. Pickable, yes, AGs, I'm putting something to sleep. Pickable, he on the ground, I praise God and start stumping feet. Pickable, I put 10 on his face, bitch, my shooter playing. Pickable, I hit it from the back, I told her move her hand. Pickable, and slide my thumb in where her at. Pickable, on your top, I'm with God, bitch, don't look back. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. Huh? They ain't talking about nothing. Hey, 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 that's my bitch. Hey, 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 that's my bitch. Hey, 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 with all that fake shit. Hey, 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 hey.
These niggas tired. Hi.
Tell them who you is.
I am Deontay's mom. I'm so sad. My baby's going to college. She's going to go to PV for radiology, and I'm so proud of you. Tay, when you see this video, know that I love you and you are my life.
You want to say something to Tay?
Yes, this is your TT mom. I'm so proud of you. It was a headache. I'm scared that you're going to be asking for more money. Just calm it down when you get to college, okay? But love you. TT, I'm so proud of you. We had a good talk earlier. You said you're going to go into radiology. So proud of you. You're going to do great. Woo, congratulations.
You want to say anything to little Tay?
Oh yeah, I'm so proud of you. I love you. Continue to strive. Always follow your first mind in whatever you do. And don't second guess life. And don't ask me for no more money for the next couple years. Figure it out. I love you.
You want to say anything to Tay?
I love you, Lil Tay. You know you always my favorite. You can always call on me whenever. And I hope you have a bright and successful future. And just keep living your dreams and pursuing your dreams.
So when your daddy say no, call your stepmama.
Okay, period.
And now I don't.
Beyonce.
I remember the first week you were born. I stayed a night. Your mom decided to go to sleep with you in her arms. I woke up, rolled over. Your head was down here. You almost died. I just tap your mom and say, "Can your baby breathe?" She looked down and bust out laughing. We ain't had no business having kids that young of an age anyway. However, I love you, nephew. I'm trying to taste my words because this might be, make good choices, make good decisions. And this guy is looking.
Congratulations, cuz. I'm happy for you. I love you. And know I'm always there for you.
Yo, nephew, you already know it, dude. Big Uncle love you, man. You know that for sure. Already, bro.
Hey Tay, I just want to let you know that I'm proud of you. I love you. You grew up to be so handsome. And I know you're going to go on to do great things. And I'm proud of you.
Deontay, I love you down. You gotta know that I love you down. Because your mama been working me like a slave, like a forehead slave since Sunday. And I do it every time for you. I love you down. I know you're gonna be great, successful, and I can't wait to beg for some money. How you be doing me? Love you, baby.
Hey Tay, congratulations. I'm so proud of you. I remember when we was kids, you used to have me late for school every day because you wanted a sausage McGriddle, and now you graduated. I'm so proud of you, and I know you're going to do great. Love you.
I knew you had it in you.
You got it good. Hey, everybody was saying you was bad. I said just give him some time. He gonna fall in line. And what you do, you did it.
Hey, my name Daisy. Tay Auntie, congratulations, baby. I love you. I'm always here for you. Keep shining, keep growing, do your motherfucking thing. Love.
Yeah. Congratulations, boo. I'm so proud of you. I can't wait to see what the future holds for you.
You go first. I can't think of the time. All right, Tay, congratulations. You know, big bro here always will beat you up. But enjoy the rest of your life.
You can't mess with none of us. You feel me?
I'm saying.
If you don't go to college, we need all them shoes.
Right, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna need them jaws.
Them Kobe's. Forget the jaws. We need them Kobe's.
Oh,
them
we need them
Sixes, we need them.
Oh.
We need them.
We reselling them bitches.
Yeah, we reselling them.
We reselling them, bro.
Okay, but they love you and want the best for you. That's what they trying to say.
Good prosper. It's good prosper. We need you to
reselling them shoes though.
If you don't go to college, I'm telling you.
You don't go to college, you reselling them shoes.
We love you though.
Oh, bro.
Tay, this your Auntie Nisha. I love you. May God continue to bless and pour into your life. May the best years come wherever you may go, wherever. You know your TC will always be there to support you. I love you.
Congratulations, sister.
This is Granny. I'm so happy for you. I wish you the best and the best future. Go for it, so you can do it. Okay.
You ready? Nephew, I pray nothing but the best for you. I love you and take care.
Hey Tay, this ain't low. Saying congratulations. I love you, baby. And on behalf of your mama, grandma, she's proud. The heavens are smiling with her and dear and everybody else. We love you, Tay. And I know that you have big things ahead. And get to it, because I'm going to need you to buy me at least one Louis Vuitton purse. Love you, baby.
Today is Sunday. Sunday fun day.
Oh, okay.
Y'all, I had a good time yesterday. The open house was a success, and we had went out afterwards. So if you don't follow me on Snapchat, then you're just gonna miss, because I didn't record. I left my camera at the house, so I don't know. Cousins, it's our last day here in Houston, and the hostess with the mostest is making us breakfast. We're starving. He's not coming. He coming tomorrow. You want to stay here with your dad? I do not want to go home. Like, I could do another week or two. Here. Yeah, she's not a sentimental person.
Oh, you want to live here? So your mom.
We're out of here. We're going back home to Michigan. You happy? She's happy.